You might have heard that it's not important what you know, but it's important who you know and who knows you. We all make networks, simple transaction of our colleagues to a very specific multi-dimensional business aspects. So we web into the networks and we do it regularly, we tap into regularly to illuminate ourselves, to grow our business, to be an active part of any association that will lead to a success. So we generally tap ourselves in a professional association, in personal development. So this networking is an effective part to get success in their life. I think that these networks are very important, starting from a schooling also. Whenever we go to a school, we generally go to a higher level with the association of our mentors and friends. In our career, we have someone to aspire us, and in growing in future in life, we also see someone to aspire and lead us. So these networks play a wide role in our life. So my journey led me to understand that this networking had a wide role in my life. So I am here to share with you that how networking evolves and emerge, what is networking, how your networking can be successful, how this networks works, and what are the lead roles to make an effective network with the people. So hey there, this is Dr. Sapna and you're watching my talk. Today's need of an hour is learning networking. It is called as art of networking. Many a times we don't like to go to the places where we are specifically involved to do networking, but then we have to learn the art of networking, or you can say learning the people skills. What are networks? Networks are planting connections. These connections can help you. It's not every time happens that all of a sudden you go to a person and make stand in front of them and tell them that trust me. No, these trust will develop gradually, or by the connecting with the people, or someone else will tell in your favor that you are a trustworthy person. So make connections accordingly. Every time whatever success in your life you get is due to the people surrounded by you. Everything happens in your life by the people who surrounds you. You are really influenced by the people who surround you. Your society, your nearby people, your professional association have a wide impact in your life. So here we are learning the people skills today. People skills, what are they? Talking about the today's scenario, you're mainly associated by various people, by Facebook, LinkedIn and all sort of social media, but we are really influenced by the people whom we really know, because it creates some sort of trust, likability. So we need to form association and active networking. So how to make this networking? This networking can be made by meeting people at the occasions, and your body language plays a very important in the networking. Say if someone is asking you how are you and you are answering I'm fine thank you, but you are looking to some other side and the person is looking to some other side, it will not create that affection. Your body language, your likability, your open-ended questions will really create your networks at the networking location. See, every network has an underlying purpose. Every network has its value. You have to pinpoint a person who have really a value in your life and who can put addition of value in your life. It's not all about being a pest and associated early with the people. No. You can just spend 15 minutes with a person with a cup of coffee. Now first point which need to be understood is understanding ourselves and understanding people. If you understand yourself, then you will be able to understand the other people's very easily. Understanding yourself is self-awareness. Self-awareness about our emotions, our skills, our experience, our domains will help us to interact with the people having that likability. So first understand yourself and then jump to understand other people. This is the art of influencing people. There are many benefits of practicing self-awareness. You understand people, you understand your relationship with them, it empowers you, you know about the vision, missions, objective of the people, you are aware about your friends, your circle. the important aspect which is to remember is that be interested rather than being interesting. Whenever you listen, so they are being attracted to you when if you are listening to them more. So listen them. If you listen them, you'll know about their goals, their aspirations, their objectives, their success features. Everything will be clear to you if you are listening people. So try to have that habit of listening people. Have signature style means you should have some different style of talking with the people, or you can grab their attention with your attire. You can have some orange handbag, your shoes, your watches, attractive briefcases, even you can have some appealing diary. So it just have an attention grabbing, so you can write down some accessories which will make you to stand different in front of people, or you can ask 3 people whom you trust that is your style is really attention grabbing. Don't stand foolish in front of people in making the attention among them. So you should stand different among the people, have your signature style, and rock in your performance and make effective network. Now form an advisory board. Advisory board means a group of smart people which can help you a lot. Imagine about one smart people thinking about you. So if you'll have multiple smart people, so multiple people will think about you. So this advisory board can be made as per your need and your desire, your business, what success you need in life. Point out the people who can help you out in any specific role to accomplish. Basically, we make network for the reason, for the purpose what we cannot accomplish. So these advisory boards should be managed and formed in such a way so that they can help us to get success. So form a proper advisory board, having a group of smart people who can think about you and help you. For networking, you can mirror the mannerism. If you're talking to any person, you just try to mirror their etiquettes, their style of talking, so they will be better influenced with you. That influencing will help you to make networking. With my understanding that networking will help you a lot, whether to gain a job or to work in a company or to have a fulfilling aspiration in your life. When you form a network, it's not about just taking and taking, it's about giving. When you'll start giving people, it will definitely, they will have an obligation to give you back. We have our role models, talk to them, have open-ended discussion with them, ask them questions that what made you so successful in life, what is your aspiration in life, what is a piece of advice for me, can you tell me 10 points in which I have to work to get successful. So people will have that notion that you want to be attached with them. Give them that feeling that you want to be associated with them. These associations will help you to accomplish your things very easily. It's a famous saying that whatever beliefs, whatever skills you have, they can take you to a certain extent, but this networking will take you a long way, because by networking they trust you, you become a trustworthy person.